Hello everybody, it's Christmas Day and I'm filming this like your Christmas present. It's a cool Lego fossils of a pterodactyl, Tyrannosaurus Rex, and Triceratops. So let's open it. Open. This Lego box looks different from the other Lego boxes inside. Thirty-three levels. Completed the first fossil. First up, we have the paleontologist. He wears some cool clothes. He has one face, here has a magnifying glass and a bone. Next he has a toolbox. It has a book inside, a dinosaur egg, and some tools. Last but not least, we have the pterodactyl fossil. The pterodactyl fossil is cool. It can move like that. It can also move like that. The wings can move that way, that side, and this side. This can move up and down. This can move. That can open up. The legs can move. And the tail can move. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs down below in the comments. Bye!